So I want to follow up on what I mentioned yesterday, trying out various stationary phases as well as the watercolor dye. Here is the index card I said I was testing out yesterday. It sat for more than 24 hours. I started it yesterday afternoon, and you can see the migration is really only just beginning. So this is not a great stationary phase. It makes for a horribly long experiment, and I'm not sure what kind of separation we're going to see in the end. So I recommend not using an index card. Then I tried watercolor paper, and I used the same 3 markers as well as the black watercolor paint, which is over here. And you can see separation really hasn't happened well. The water hasn't even traveled up the page at all. So watercolor paper is not a great stationary phase. This has sat overnight, so more than 10 hours. So our best stationary phase that you can find at home, I would recommend using a paper towel. You may find something else that works. You're welcome to experiment just like I did. On this paper towel, I tested the watercolor dye on the paper towel as well, knowing that this was a good stationary phase. So this is the Crayola marker we used yesterday. You recognize it, the red with the blue. And this is the watercolor dye. If we get in close and look at it, you can see it's starting to separate a little bit. You can see some red coming off. But it's really not too mobile, meaning this isn't a great sample for you to use. So I would recommend for your 3 samples, find 3 washable markers, black markers made by 3 different companies, and we'll see some different types of mixtures of dyes that you can compare to one another. And be sure to send a picture. And that's it.